Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to simplify this particular expression, which is quite easy. To begin with, we note this is a fraction and it has a division sign here. So what this basically means is that we can change this particular sign into multiplication, and we have a reciprocal as follows. You'll have 2x minus 2 over 6x squared minus x minus 12. Change the sign to become times. You conduct a reciprocal here. You have 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. You can simplify this one further, and as you can see here, we have like terms. You factor out 2 into x minus 1, close the bracket, over 6x squared minus x minus 12 multiplied by 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. This one and this one are common, so we can cancel them out, and you're left with 2 into brackets 2x minus 3, close the bracket, over 6x squared minus x minus 12. The next step is to work out the denominator, meaning you factorize this particular expression. You pick it here. You have 6x squared minus x minus 12. So for us to factorize this one, we get up the product of 6 and minus 12, which is minus 72. So we need two numbers where when we sum them, we get -1. And when we multiply them, you get -72. In this case, your numbers are going to be -9 and 8. So you pick your quadratic expression as 6x squared minus x minus 12. You rewrite it as follows. You have 6x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 12. When you take a closer look, you can separate this into two. So in the first section, what we have a common factor here, which is 3x. Into brackets, you have 2x minus 3. On this side, you have 4 plus 4. Into brackets, you have 2x minus 3. So you pick this one as one of the factors. You have 3x plus 4, close the bracket, and you pick one of these, which is 2x minus 3. So we have factorized the denominator. So we rewrite our expression as follows: 2 into brackets 2x minus 3, close the bracket, over 3x plus 4, close the bracket, into bracket, open another bracket, 2x minus 3. When you look at the numerator and the denominator, we have a common factor, which is 2x minus 3. You cancel them out. So a simplified expression becomes 2 over 3x plus 4. That is your answer. Remember to like, share, and comment on this particular video. If you liked what you saw, please feel free to talk about it amongst your peers. Otherwise, let's meet in the next session. Bye-bye.